Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a paper airplane. And this is just normal printer paper I have here. So first, I'm going to take this, fold it over to that side. And then I'm going to unfold it. Take this corner and fold it into the middle. And do the same thing with the other side. And then take this entire thing and fold it all the way down here. And then take the corner, just the corner, and fold it into the middle. Like that, and there should be a place where it isn't folded yet. And then do the same thing with the other side. So, and then fold that this way. And we have this. So take this wing, fold it down, flip it over, take the other wing, fold it down to the same spot, and then we have a plane. So this flies good, pretty good, really good. So you throw it like that, and that's how you make a plane. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell button, leave a like, and see you in my next video.